The Starshot project has a lot of challenges that we're going to announce here and have the world help us with them. But there's a couple key ones. One, of course, is can we actually build these really tiny satellites and make them work and do the things we need to have them do when they get to another star system, Alpha Centauri system. We're going to start doing research on those, and the key thing is we're going to fly them in space in the next few years, increasingly getting the kind of capability and data that we're going to want when we fly by Alpha Centauri. So that's the first set of challenges, is actually get that mature so that in several years that we can make a decision, it's ready to go. The second really big challenge is the laser. And the problem is that you have to get these lasers working collaboratively with each other in concert so that the beam can be focused tight enough to push the star chip. We've done a little bit of that, but we haven't done it in large scales. So we've taken a few lasers and where they're separated by a few meters and say, okay, this one can now work in concert with this one, but we need to fill that over large segments of space, tens of meters, and eventually it's going to be hundreds of meters across. So that's lab work. And then the third thing, of course, there's a lot of policy questions. There are questions of who makes a decision to fire this, how do we do it safely. So we'll start working on the policy questions of how the world makes a decision. This is one of the first really big decisions the world's going to have to make. So those three areas are ones that we're going to work very hard over the next set of years